Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on don't receive requests on your messenger app. All you have to do, you just to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your messenger app. So you just go up, you click here on app, then it's going to show for you a window like this, and you just click here on app in this mark settings. Then it's going to take you to next window here like you say, and you just go down and you click here on privacy. Then you come to this window here, you click here on message delivery. Then it's going to take you here, you click here on friends of friends on Facebook. Then you come here to don't receive requests, and like you see now, friends of friends on Facebook turn on the to don't receive requests on your messenger app. So that's all. I wish you I get it. You just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.